Hey, this is a video for Body Systems 1. So go ahead and set up your Cornell notes. Remember to start a new page for this video. And check out the essential vocabulary. Today we will be discussing the circulatory system and the excretory system. So just an overview of how we're going to be addressing the body systems. We will be thinking about, overall, you should be thinking about the process of cellular respiration. And that was from the respiration unit. And basically what we're talking about with this system is how the different body systems can relate to cellular respiration. And it all really has to do with the process of diffusion. Remember that diffusion is the movement of substances from a high concentration to a low concentration. So if we're looking at this example right here, we have oxygen molecules inside of a red blood cell. This is like a red blood cell. It's shaped kind of like a donut, kind of with like a little indentation where the hole would be. And basically we have a high concentration of oxygen inside of this red blood cell and a low concentration in the body cells around that. And as this moves along, we are adding, oxygen is diffusing from the red blood cell and into the cells of the body. Now this happens in the bloodstream, and there are certain proteins that are attached to the red blood cell, and that binds to the oxygen. You don't have to know that, but it's called hemoglobin. And another example, this is how you can deliver substances, and another example is how you can pick up substances. So if you notice, we have a high concentration outside of the bloodstream and we have a low concentration inside. Now as our red blood cells move through, it is going from high concentration to low concentration. So as they go through, they can pick up something like this example shows carbon dioxide being picked up by the blood. All right. So again, we have diffusion that is responsible for movement of substances inside of the circulatory system. And the circulatory system is the body system that is responsible for transport around the body. And this happens in the blood. And the heart is the major organ, and we have arteries and veins. Arteries go away from the heart and veins go towards the heart. Now, the circulatory system will deliver nutrients to cells. For this example, we have, this represents an oxygen molecule. This represents a molecule of glucose. If that is in the bloodstream, it will be delivered to the cells. But it can also remove waste products from cells. So cells will build up carbon dioxide, they'll build up other substances as well. And those substances need to be picked up by the bloodstream so they can be discarded properly. So again, the circulatory system is the overall system that is helping to move this stuff around the body. Now the excretory system contains the kidneys and the bladder. And the excretory system is the body system that removes wastes from the blood. In this example, we're going to be removing something like urea. Urea is a primary component of urine. And we have a high concentration inside the bloodstream and a low concentration outside. And this could represent a cell of the kidney. So the kidney is removing urea, and then that urea becomes concentrated and it is removed through the actions of the kidneys, and it will be removed as urine. So additionally, we can also get rid of excess water from the blood, and we can get rid of excess water from the body through the excretory system, and that leaves through the bladder. So I would like you to respond to this check for understanding to see if you made sense of the content of this video. I hope that this video was informative. I thank you for your attention, and I will see you soon.